What is precision recall trade-off? Trade-off means increasing one parameter leads to decreasing of other, or decreasing one parameter leads to increasing of other. Precision is the fraction of correct positives among the total predictive positives by our model. It is also called accuracy of positive prediction. The formula for it is true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. If you didn't remember confusion matrix, then you can see the previous video of my confusion matrix. The link will be given in the description. What is recall? Recall is the fraction of correct positives among the total positives in the dataset. It is indicating how many total positive of actual dataset were covered, means classified correctly while doing prediction. So the formula for it will be total positive true positives divided by true positives but plus false negative. Recall will also collect the whole positive. In that positives, some will be false negative and some will be true positives. In ideal scenario where there is a perfectly separable data, both precision and recall can get maximum value of 1.0 because value lies between 0 to 1. But in most of the practical situation, there is noise in the dataset, so our dataset is not perfectly separable. There might be some points of positive class closer to negative class and vice versa. So it is not perfectly separable. There is many noise present in our dataset. So there can be misclassified points also. In such cases, shifting the decision boundary can either increase the precision on recall, but not both. Either will increase or decrease, but not both will increase. Increasing one parameter leads to decreasing of other. This is called the trade-off. Binary classifier will misclassify some points always. It will not predict all the correct positives always. It will misclassify some point because of the noise present in our dataset. What is precision? Suppose you are creating a model to predict email is spam or not. In this case, precision is more important than recall. Why? Because this tells when you predict something positive, how many times they were actually positive. Whereas recall, this tells about actually positive data, how many times you predicted correctly. Because one should be okay if spam mail left undetected and doesn't go to spam folder, but if an important mail goes to spam folder, then it is not okay. So in this case, precision is more important because our important mail must not go to spam folder. Therefore, precision is more important in this case. If model predicts something positive, that is spam, it is better be spam, else you may miss important emails. The aim of this model is to have high precision, means true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. What is recall? Suppose you are creating a model to detect a patient is having disease or not. Then in this case, recall is more important. If it predicts that you do not have the disease and you enjoy your life and later you came to know that you have that disease and that is last stage. The aim of this model is to have high recall, means small number of false negative. Now think, which is more important for your model, precision or recall, and according to it, select precise value of threshold. You can get high precision and recall and low precision and recall. So you should carefully select threshold value according to your need. You can't get high precision and recall both and low precision and recall both. Either or will be important for your model. You can select the threshold value according to the need of your model. Threshold value lies between low, high and medium. Default value of threshold is 0.5. Here is the graph of precision and recall. You can see here, as recall decreases, precision increases. So at this point or this point, where precision and recall is at optimum value, you can select this threshold value, which is 0.8 or 0.7 or 6, but not less than or greater than this, because if you select this x value, then your recall will be high but precision will be low, and if you select high precision value, recall will be low and precision will be high. Threshold value lies between 0 and 1. If you choose low threshold value, then your precision will be low and recall will be high. If you choose optimum value, then both will be optimal. And if you choose high threshold value near to 1 or between 0.8 to 1, then your precision will be high but recall will be low. So according to your need of the model, you should select the optimum value of threshold. So what can you do? You can try different threshold value and build confusion matrix and observe the true positives, false positives, true negatives and false negative value, the number of classified points correctly and misclassified. So by that all confusion matrix, you can decide which threshold value is better for your model, which is optimum value of threshold for your model. This is my Techopedia page on Instagram, where I post stuff related machine learning, data science, Python, etc. So you can follow this page on Instagram. If you have any question regarding this video, then you can message me on Instagram or put the question in the comment. Thank you. If you liked my video, then don't forget to like, share or subscribe.